Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add drawings into your notes on the Beer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should select an already existing note if you would like to add any drawings or images to it, but you can also create a new one by tapping on the plus icon in the right side corner of the screen down below. So now tap on this second icon in the middle of the screen. Then you should choose your tool that you would like to draw with, and then you can select a color by tapping on this black icon in the right side corner of the screen down below. Here you can see a bunch of colors if you scroll down and up. So tap on the relevant color, and you can also choose the size of your pen. Then if you are done with it, press the button X in the right side corner of the screen, and then you are ready to draw your drawing. And if you are done with it, just simply press the button X in the left side corner of the screen at the top. So now your image or drawing has been added to your note. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.